Play games and make $400 a day. Make money online. If you're on the hunt for a game-changing opportunity to boost your earnings in 2024, you're in the right place. Stick around as I spill the beans on a brand new play-to-earn game that has the potential to fill your pockets with over $400 a day. Intrigued? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a profit-packed journey. What's up, Profitability Plus crew? Welcome back to the channel where we decode the secrets of online wealth. Today, I've got a gem for you, an earning app named Tropical Crush. I've personally put it through its paces, and I'm here to guide you through the ins and outs. Stay tuned for a live withdrawal proof that's going to blow your financial mind. So let's dive into step 1. Head over to tropicalgame.com or find the link conveniently placed in the video description. Tropical Crush isn't just your run-off-the-mill play-to-earn game. It's a game-changer in the world of money-making apps. Whether you're an Android enthusiast or an Apple aficionado, download it on Google Play as Tropical Crush, win cash prizes, or on the App Store as Tropical Crush Match 3 game. 2 names, 1 winning app. No room for confusion here. Once it's snug on your device, hit Save Your Progress to set up your account. Whether you roll with your Gmail ID or prefer the manual sign-up, a few simple clicks and you're in. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process. Starting off strong, they throw 100 tickets your way. Click Collect Tickets and let's get into the game. Dive into the first level, where I'll personally guide you through the ropes. Pro tip: multiply your ticket earnings by 6 and I'll let you in on the secret. It involves a bit of ad watching. Now onto the play. Match those fruits, complete missions, and conquer levels. But remember, you've got limited moves, so strategic gameplay is the name of the game. Reach the end of a level, claim your bonus rewards, and double those tickets with a quick ad watch. Step 2. Let's talk moolah. 4 methods to rake in real cash. Spin the wheel, play the lotto, try your luck with lucky numbers, or go big with a weekly jackpot draw. The more tickets you've got, the better your odds. I'll show you how to play each so you're stacking up the green. Feeling a bit short on tickets? No worries. Complete at least 20 levels to ensure you've got the ammo for these cash-boosting games. And hey, invite your pals to join the fun. More friends, more cash. Team up, share your personalized link, and watch the rewards roll in. Here are alternative apps that also pay real money. Bingo Cash. Download the Bingo Cash app now to immerse yourself in captivating play-to-earn games tailored for 2024. Our top choice offers real-time bingo, allowing you to compete against fellow players and potentially pocket up to $83 in mere minutes. Distinguishing itself from Blackout Bingo, Bingo Cash provides the enticing feature of winning real cash for free, no deposit required. This appeals to those seeking lower stakes and a penchant for free bingo games. Sporting an impressive 4.7 over 5-star rating on the App Store, Bingo Cash is a legitimate and enjoyable option for both iOS and Samsung users. Solitaire Cash. Solitaire enthusiasts, listen up! Our runner-up, Solitaire Cash, brings you fast-paced games with a promise of up to $83 per victorious round. The game stands out with a solid 4.6 over 5-star rating on the App Store, signifying its legitimacy and appeal. Whether you choose to play for free or opt for the excitement of skill-based cash tournaments, Solitaire Cash, available exclusively on iOS, offers a satisfying and rewarding gaming experience. Blackout Bingo. Seeking substantial winnings? Look no further than Blackout Bingo. This skill-based gaming app introduces a unique spin on traditional bingo, allowing you to compete in real time against others for a chance to win real cash in as little as 2 minutes. Boasting a 4.5 over 5-star rating on the App Store and a substantial player base exceeding 5 million, Blackout Bingo assures a secure and enjoyable experience. Earnings can be withdrawn through reliable methods like PayPal, Apple Pay, or credit cards. With free access to both Android and iOS platforms, Blackout Bingo is a compelling choice for those in search of significant cash rewards. Solitaire Clash. Introducing the best sign-up offer for solitaire games, Solitaire Clash. This engaging app promises an opportunity to win up to $115 per game in just minutes. Ranked as the second cards game on the Apple Store, with an exceptional 4.9 over 5-star rating, Solitaire Clash is recognized for its fairness and legitimacy. Players can choose to play for free or amplify their winnings by depositing cash for entry into skill-based cash tournaments. Available exclusively on iOS, Solitaire Clash is an enticing option for both casual and competitive players. Solitaire Cube. Are you a longtime solitaire aficionado? Solitaire Cube, managed by Skills, caters to your passion, offering cash rewards through practice leagues and higher-level tournaments. While a $10 minimum deposit raises the stakes, it also increases the potential payout, with some players turning a modest investment into significant returns. Available on both Android and iOS, Solitaire Cube has garnered positive reviews on the App Store, reflecting its status as a legitimate and enjoyable option for those seeking a high-stakes solitaire experience. 21 Blitz. If you enjoy the fusion of blackjack and solitaire, 21 Blitz awaits. Engage in 3-minute rounds against others, combining strategy and skill for potential cash rewards. Exercise caution, as the winnings are not guaranteed, and the entry cost is forfeited if you don't emerge victorious. With free practice rounds available, 21 Blitz caters to players of varying skill levels. Accessible in both Android and iOS platforms, this app offers a thrilling blend of card games with a chance to compete for real cash. Rewarded Play. For Android users seeking a different approach to real money gaming, Rewarded Play stands out as an online app that rewards members with gift cards for playing games. Unlike traditional cash rewards, Rewarded Play exclusively offers generous gift card incentives for popular stores like Target and Amazon. With a commendable 4.3 over 5-star rating on Google Play, this app has become a reliable and established platform. Members can accumulate points by playing a variety of games, unlocking achievements, and redeeming these points for gift cards. As an added benefit, Rewarded Play eliminates the competitive aspect, making it an easy and rewarding choice for Android users. Eager for a profitable adventure? Smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Profitability Plus family. We're dropping money-making insights every week and you won't want to miss out. Want more cash-making tips? Click the video on your screen now. Thanks for tuning in, Profitability Plus crew. Until next time, keep those wallets heavy.